accused had been seen in a trending video, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
So that phrase does not mean that you personally verified the video, does it?
I think I explained I watched part of it.
So that phrase does not mean that you personally verified the video, does it? Did you verify the video? Yes or no?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
Stories zingine utasema baadaye.
Yes, Your Honor.
So your statement does not say you watched the video, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you had watched the video, you would have said so in your statement, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
So as we sit here, you cannot tell this court when you first saw the video, can you?
No.
And you cannot confirm from your own knowledge whether the video was genuine or doctored, correct?
Can't tell you.
You also cannot tell when the video was uploaded, can you?
I can't.
Nor can you tell who uploaded it, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
You are not a digital forensics expert, are you?
I'm not.
You have no training in identifying deepfakes or AI-generated videos, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have no professional qualifications in cybercrime investigations, do you?
No, I don't have.
You are not accredited by anybody in digital forensics, are you?
Not, Your Honor.
And you have never worked as a cybercrime investigator, have you?
I'm an investigator.
I'm talking about a cybercrime investigator.
No.
You do not belong to the cyber forensics unit at the DCI.
I don't, Your Honor.
So you cannot independently authenticate a video's originality, can you?
No, I don't.
You cannot tell whether a video has been manipulated, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you cannot give evidence that the video was technically genuine, can you?
I can't.
You have mentioned in your statement that you proceeded to where the accused person was located, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you tell the court how he was located?
I can't because it was a different member that was doing that.
But you've mentioned in your statement how the accused was located, did you?
I've said we monitored.
Using his phone, right?
I can't tell because it was a big team, so my work was arresting.
So in your statement, okay, we proceed. So while you said, can you explain to the court how the person was located?
I can't because I'm not an expert in that.
So how did you know that he was at this center?
I was not alone in that operation. So my work was arresting to accompany the team that was monitoring. So I can't know the way they were monitoring him. And I could not ask them because that is their work. My work was arresting.
So were you working with the people who are locating the accused person?
I can't tell whether they were locating. I said they were monitoring. And monitoring can include having a person on the ground who is watching his movement. It's not a must that is locating.
So his movements were being watched. Can you tell the court how the movement was being
I can't tell because I said my work was arresting. There was that team that was monitoring. So I didn't have time to meet with that person who was monitoring so that he can explain to me whether he was following him, whether he was sitting somewhere watching his movement, but they were monitoring.
So you were just being told where to proceed, but you are sure that they were monitoring, right?
Definitely.
Is this done using a computer system, the monitoring, or is it just, I hope they are not prophets, right?
But I think I've explained that question.
Is it done using a computer system, yes or no?
I don't know.
So did you have a court order to track the location of the accused person?
John, I think I've explained.
Did you have, yes or no?
I did have.
So are you confirming to this court that you violated the accused person's right to privacy?
No.
Are you also confirming to this court that you committed an offense through use of computer system pursuant to section 46 of Computer Misuse and Cybercrime Act? Through the by locating the accused person?
No, Your Honor.
When you arrested the accused person, did you conduct any search on him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you aware that under section 48 of the Computer Misuse and Cybercrimes Act, a police officer needs a search warrant to search any person identified in the warrant before conducting an actual search?
Not necessarily in all instances.
Tell us in which instance and which law allows that.
There are sometimes that a police officer can do a search without a warrant. Like, because the information we wanted was in digital form. So if we could have taken time to come to the court, or the team that was investigating, it could have taken time to come to court, maybe that digital evidence could have been tampered with before we apprehended the suspect.
Are you aware that the charge for you, the charge that you charged the accused person with, you need a search warrant?
I'm not aware of that charge because I was not the investigating officer.
I want to inform you that that charge, you need search warrant under the charge of publishing of defamatory matter contrary to section 194 as read with section 36 of the Penal Code. So having noticed that you violated several laws and committed several offenses while arresting the accused person, do you want the court to commit you to jail? Yes or no?
I didn't commit any offense.
You arrested the accused person in B Center, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Specifically, you found him at a barber shop, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
At the time of the arrest, the accused was not using a phone, was he?
He was not using.
And he was not using a computer either, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
He was not in the process of recording or uploading anything, was he?
He wasn't.
You did not recover any device from him at the barber shop, did you?
He had his phone, but I didn't recover it at that time.
And you did not see him operating any social media account, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
There was no evidence of him managing TikTok at the time, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
The arrest was purely based on information from your superior, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
did not apply for a search warrant for the accused's electronic devices, did you? Yes or no?
No.
You did not seize his phone during the arrest, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you did not seize any laptop or tablet from him, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
You did not forward any of his devices to the cyber forensics lab, correct?
I can't answer that question, Your Honor.
Yourself. Yes or no, yourself. You
Yes,
can
Your
answer
Honor.
because you know.
Yes, Your Honor.
So you did not forward any of his devices to the cyber forensic lab.
Yes, Your Honor.
You did not obtain a forensic report linking him to the accounts, did you?
I didn't, Your Honor.
And you did not request TikTok for subscriber information, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
You did not request the registration details of @Riba News, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because you mentioned it in your statement. And you did not request the registration details of @Sasa_TV_KE_backup either, correct?
That is an information to me, Your Honor.
Just answer me yes or no. You don't need the drama that you're starting.
Yes, Your Honor.
You did not request the IP addresses used to log into those accounts, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
You did not trace the email addresses or phone numbers used to open those accounts,
Yes,
correct?
Your Honor.
So you have no evidence that those accounts belong to the accused, do you?
As an arresting
Yes,
officer,
yes or no?
that was
according
not
to-
part of my work.
Very good.
Yes, Your Honor.
So you have no evidence to those accounts according to.
Yes, I don't have.
Thank you. You cannot confirm that the accused owns a TikTok account, can you?
I can't, Your Honor.
You cannot show the court any username belonging to him, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have no evidence that he created @Riba News, do you?
I don't have.
You have no evidence that he created @Sasa_TV_KE backup either, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have no evidence that he had the password to any of those accounts, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
You never saw him log in to either of those accounts, did you?
I did, Your Honor.
No one ever told you directly that those accounts belonged to him, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
You did not interview anyone from TikTok, did you?
I did, Your Honor.
You did not interview anyone claiming ownership of the accounts, right?
Right, Your Honor.
You cannot point to any specific false statement authored by the accused, can you? You cannot show that the accused drafted any of the captions, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
You cannot say the accused uploaded any of the alleged video, can you?
I can't, Your Honor.
You cannot even prove that the accused had internet access at the time, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
So you have no personal knowledge of him publishing false information, do you?
I don't have.
You are aware the charge also alleges operating a telecommunication service, correct?
I'm not aware of that, Your Honor.
The accused was not found with any broadcasting equipment, was he?
No, Your Honor.
You did not recover any server, router, or network equipment from him, did you?
I did, Your Honor.
You did not see him transmitting signals, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
You cannot define for this court what a telecommunication service is, can you?
No, Your Honor.
You cannot show that the accused conveyed speech, sound, or images via his own telecommunication system, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
At most, you relied upon was a video on social media, right?
Yes, sir.
You did not download the video yourself, did you?
I did.
You cannot show this court the source from which the video was obtained, can you?
I can't, Your Honor.
You cannot confirm whether the copy of the video in evidence is the same as the original, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
You cannot rule out that the video was altered before you saw it, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
You cannot rule out that the video was shared out of context, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
You cannot prove that the video clip was not edited, can you?
I can't, Your Honor.
You are relying on a video circulating on social media, not one retrieved from TikTok itself, correct? Correct?
No, Your Honor.
You are aware that June 2024 was a politically charged period in Kenya, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
There were nationwide Gen Z protests at that time, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
Many young people were being arrested during that period, correct?
Not already.
In Kenya, not any other country.
Not sure, Your Honor.
You cannot deny there was political pressure on the police, can you?
There was
Yes
pressure,
or
but
no?
I can't know whether it was on police.
Thank you, so that there was pressure somewhere.
Yes, Your Honor.
Your orders were to arrest, not to investigate thoroughly, correct?
True, Your Honor.
You cannot rule out that this arrest was part of a wider crackdown, can you?
I can't, Your Honor.
In your entire testimony, you have not provided a single piece of direct evidence linking the accused to TikTok, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
You have not shown any forensic evidence, have you?
I have not shown.
You have not produced any documentary evidence, have you?
No, Your Honor.
You have not produced any expert report, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
Your entire evidence is based on instructions from your superior, right?
Right, Your Honor.
So in truth, you cannot say that the accused committed any of the offenses charged, can you?
The investigator will tell that.
Can you? Yes or no? So in truth, you cannot say that the accused committed any of the offenses charged, based on the questions that you just answered above, can you?
Most of those
Yes or
questions
no?
you asked me are not mine. So it was not my work, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor, that's all.
Good morning, Mr. Clinton.
Morning to you.
Is it